Hey, how's it going? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. Lately, what I've been up to is I've been doing the Infinite Impact Challenge. That's why you haven't seen too many videos on YouTube. And, I'm learning so many things from there, learning how to do videos better, learning the psychology and everything. Like, first of all, the old me, I would come on the video right now and say, hey guys, sorry I haven't done any videos in a while. I've been this and that. And what I'm learning with this Infinite Impact Challenge is that nobody wants to know that. It's like it's nice, but everybody always wants to apologize. Same thing, like they'll come on Facebook Live and say, hey everybody, sorry to take your time, what I want. It's like nobody cares about that. You don't have to always apologize for things. People want value. They want to hear what you have to say. So just get right into it, because the more you BS at the beginning, people are going to get tired and they're going to drop off. People want that content right away. So that's what I'm learning in the challenge. And a few of you joined me and it's great. Everybody's learning a lot. The next time they do it, I'll give you guys more advanced notice so you can have time to prepare and get in. It worked out great for a lot of people because they're at home during the quarantine right now. So it gives them something to do, making a lot of different friends in there. So that just wanted to quickly go over that. Now, what I wanted to do real quickly, this Tuesday, 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern, my friend Michelle Brubaker, she is like a serial entrepreneur. She's made money doing so many things online. What she is focusing on right now is books. She puts up a lot of books on Amazon, and we're not talking about novels or anything, really simple books that she can make like in a couple of hours and just throw them up on Amazon. And she wants to teach people how to do that. She already has courses. I went over it in another video. There are different level courses. Some are like $100 all the way up to $600 and whatever. But what she's doing right now, because of everybody that's at home doing nothing, she has this Masterclass, which is usually $49, where she gives people like a primer on what she's doing, see if they're interested, and gives them some information so they could start right away, even if they didn't get any of her classes, just some fundamental groundwork stuff. And because everybody's at home and she wants to help people, she's actually cut the price to 17 bucks. So something that normally costs $49, she's only going to charge $17. And it is on March 31st, which I believe is Tuesday, because let's see, it's 1 o'clock in the morning now. So it's Monday. Yeah. So on Tuesday, that'll be 1 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to put the link in the description below, and it is nicholaslau.com/book class. But anyways, let me just share my screen real quick so I can show you a few things real briefly. All right, so here is her Facebook page, Online Moneymaker Academy. So she does a lot of videos with other people, different students, different people that have used her courses and are getting results. So really cool group. I've been learning a lot from there. So I've been promoting her products too. So like over here, she's teaching how she generated 600 sales from her course in the last 7 months with no email list. I mean, just the value that she drops. And she's a very high energy person. Like when she speaks, you listen. She has a very great command about her, which I like. She's like kind of meant to be a teacher. So anyways, when you go over here to my affiliate link, nicholaslau.com, book class, that'll take you to where you need to go to sign up for this. Okay, so it'll take you over here, Fast Track Book Publishing, Tuesday at 1 p.m., March 31st. That's 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. for you all on the East Coast, 3 p.m. for people in Texas like myself. This will teach you everything you know, Fast Track Book Publishing. Like I said, it's regularly, okay, not 49, it's regularly $47. Special, one time only, just for this one day, just to help as many people as she can, 17 bucks. I highly suggest that you get on this training, because I'm telling you, the books she puts on Amazon, really simple. Sometimes they're just notebooks, like, like a things to do list or a diary, things that you could put together really quick, a coloring book. You can go get like different, you can find royalty-free cartoon designs. You can bind them up in a book. And on top of that, I have another source. It's called BookBolt. BookBolt. Let me just make sure. Yeah, okay. So let me just log into my BookBolt account. Did I type that wrong? I don't know. Maybe their server is down right now. But let's see. Let's go to bookbolt.io. That should take us there. But anyway, so what BookBolt does, this is a software. So this is a software that you can use with the things that you learn in Michelle's courses, if that makes sense. Now, BookBolt has its own courses that has a lot of tutorials in there, but if you take what Michelle's learning and you use BookBolt, which is a software to help you print your designs, make your covers, bind your books, whole bunch of stuff in here. So let me just move out of the way. And BookBolt is really cheap as well. And I even have a discount code to make it even cheaper. Like I said, it's only $10 a month for this software, $90 a year. And I'll put that information in the description below. So if you want to, and if you want to wait, if you want to attend Michelle's class first and see if you even like this, pay $17 for the class, learn what you can. It's like, hey, Nick, I really like this. Then come over to my BookBolt link. I'll put my affiliate link below with my discount code. So you can get, I think it's like $2 off. So it'd be like $8 a month instead of 10. But hey, you know what? In this economy, any savings is a good savings, right? I mean, with everything that's going on right now, if you can make some money from home, if you can learn a new skill and save some money. So over there with Michelle's thing, normally $47, only $17. This is $10 a month or $90 a year. And I'll give you a discount to bring that down as well. So you bring it down like 20%, okay? So let me try to log in again. I'm not sure why it was down. Yeah, maybe they're doing some updates tonight. That's fine, just bad timing. But I think I have done another tutorial on this, so you can look for it in my past videos. But BookBolt is really, really cool. Like, well, let's see if they show. Yeah, if you just come to the page, it's going to teach you everything you know. So a lot of people, what they did was they just took T-shirt designs and made them book covers. And like, trust me, I'm a nurse, and maybe it's like a book where a nurse can write their daily things, or maybe like things that they're learning. It's just like a notebook. I've seen people do crossword puzzles, and you'd be surprised. Like I even had this idea. It's like, oh, maybe I can do like a wedding planner kind of book, just a bunch of lines. It's like those people, girls that are planning out their wedding. I want this, I want that. So you would be surprised how many people buy books with just blank pages. They're just like notebooks and resource books. They make great gifts and everything. Let's go on Amazon. Let's go on Amazon real quick and take a look at that. So let's see. Let's just do adult cartoon books. Card doesn't know, not stickers, sorry. And when I say adult, I don't mean like pornography or anything. I mean that like they're just more geared towards things that adult would color. Potty mouth foods. No, that was by Cartoon Network. So let me see. Diary. Let's see. Notebook. Well, that's not let's see. Now I'm just kind of like trying to figure out. It's like, okay, what do I want to put over here? Well, let me check some of these things. See, it would be so much easier if I could log in. But anyways, well, actually, on Michelle's thing, she does show. Yeah, there's like a little picture where it kind of shows. Okay, here we go. So you can see like she's got a book about coffee. Maybe it's just like different coffee recipes. So I guess bottom line, what I'm trying to say is you can just bind free resources together, make a quick book and throw it on Amazon and make good bucks. And there's different plugins that'll show you how things are ranking. So let's see, let's just call it a coffee notebook. Maybe there's something about that. Good idea, start with great coffee. The coffee notebook. Okay, that looks like, yeah, coffee lovers notebook. This looks like something that was done on the platform that we're talking about. All right, and they're selling it for $6. And let's see, they probably just released it. Okay, so I have different plugins that'll show me, what the sales rank is. So what I do is, you can take some time, go research competition and see which books are ranking really well and try to generate some ideas. It's like, oh, well, that's cool. I can do one real quick. You can maybe, do QuickBooks that's like top 100 Italian recipes, top 100 Indian recipes, or whatever you want. Make a quick book of recipes and just throw it up on Amazon. The point I'm trying to make, and Michelle will explain this a hell of a lot better than I'm doing right now, because I think I'm doing a pretty crappy job right at the moment. But on Tuesday during that webinar, she'll give you so many ideas of things that you can put on Amazon. It's like you could just see right here where we got English muffin recipes, coffee stuff, baking stuff. So cookbooks, crossword puzzles, coloring books, notebooks, diaries. There's a lot of different things that you can connect the dots, like I said, crossword puzzles, jigsaw, whatever you want to do. There's a lot of things you could bind together really quick and make a cheap book out of it. And like, how easy is it? I think Michelle's put up over 1,100 books on Amazon. Okay, and she doesn't do it under her name. She picks different pen names for different categories, so it's not all related to her, right? So you have full creative control on whatever you want to do. And she'll tell you the pitfalls, like things not to do. Like, don't buy a whole bunch of your inventory just to raise your score, because if Amazon sees that, they'll terminate you. And you do not want to get terminated from the Amazon KDP platform. This is something that can make you a lot of money for a lot of time, for a long time. Good passive income, okay? And that's what it's all about. This is something that you do one time. Every time you make a book, you put it out into the world. And every time somebody buys that, you make a little bit, right? So it's not a lot of money, but the more volume you put out there, you'll make a lot more. And then Michelle might get into how she does Amazon sponsored ads. So she pays a little bit to advertise her books and more sales come in. All right, so I wish I was a little bit better prepared. I should have logged into BookBulk to see if it was working or not, but I think you all get the idea. So hopefully you join me on this webinar. Remember, it is at Tuesday, March 31st, 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Pacific. It's going to be at least an hour with Michelle. You are going to learn so much. This woman is absolutely brilliant. She has just got such a great creative mind for being able to make money from home. It lets her spend time with her family. She just had her first grandbaby, I believe. I don't know if it's her first grandbaby, but that's what she was telling me. So, she's been able to generate so much income from home just selling affiliate products, and she's going to teach you how to do the same thing. All right, so this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I hope to see you on this webinar on Tuesday. Make use of your time at home. You can't be out and about. Not everybody. Some people do have jobs they have to go to, but for those of you, and by the way, if you are at work, if you cannot attend the webinar, it will be recorded. So don't be afraid to buy it thinking that, oh, I won't be able to attend. It will be recorded. It'll be well worth the $17, because I don't know after the fact if she's going to sell the recording for $17, but for the people that get in, they're going to get the recording for the same price because they had already prepaid for it, okay? So this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. And again, I hope to see you on Tuesday. Take care. Bye-bye.